Since 2019, I started my YouTube. 341 videos ago, almost 6 years now. And I have had views 10,000, 8,000, 2, 11, 5. Let me tell y'all something. Do not give up. Keep on posting. My forum is education. My glory is you getting the education. If we want to roll with YouTube, we have to continue to post. Hashtag keep posting. Keep posting. Your views count. I don't care if it's 1, 2, or 3. One tip that I will give you is watch your own video. It counts. That's like an hour. If you have a video, YouTube allows you to watch your own video. Okay, it will count. What I do, I make sure my family's watching my videos. Sometimes I forget to text them. I'm on, it's time to watch. Some of them are not YouTube members and they tune in and watch. I continue to post. Do not let anyone tell you that nobody wants to see your content. Somebody wants to see your content. Just continue to post. We all want to reach a certain party, a certain aspect. Just keep on posting. I'm just like you. I could not get used to being in front of the camera on YouTube, knowing hundreds and thousands of people are going to see my face, or hundreds of thousands of people are going to see what I'm actually posting. Half of the time, I don't even know what I'm posting or doing anyway. I go on just like as if I was in the school, as if I'm teaching in the school. So I'm still learning YouTube rules. I'm still learning what I can post, what I can't post, what I shouldn't post, what I should post. What I do is I watch other people's channels, especially the ones where the guys are teaching us, the girls are teaching us how to learn. It doesn't matter how old you are. It doesn't matter what your niche is. I mean, it took me so long to even find out what my niche is. And actually, I'm still trying to figure out the niche thing, but my niche is pretty much education. And I didn't want to pinpoint it to education as a whole. All of my students, I want y'all to learn from everything I'm giving y'all. Don't forget that I'm going to put that chat out there. Freeze your credit. Don't freeze your credit, because I'm telling you to freeze your credit. We get ready to go on a house hunt, and I'm going to show y'all what I'm getting ready to do on the way so I can go house hunting again. Okay, look at the federal chat, federal buyout chat. At the end of that, I told y'all what happened when I was going to get my house in 2022. I'm not going through that one right now, and trust me, it'll never happen again. But you guys go ahead and read that federal buyout. And don't forget to look at that one, Why I Stopped Lying. And some of my videos are pretty much, us kind of chit-chat. And I hope I'm not echoing. I have furniture. I don't know why I keep echoing. A lot of my videos are educational, has to do with medical insurance billing. 5 years in, and my videos have gotten so much better. You guys look at my videos from the beginning. You guys are going to crack up, I'm telling you. And as I go, you just have to get better. You just have to get better. There are times when I cannot post consistently every day, all day, even though I'm at work. I'm sitting at this computer, at this desk practically all day, other than when I'm getting up and going out. So trust me, when you guys see me on YouTube, I just finished working and I'm jumping in on YouTube. Let me tell you something. Catch me. Learn what I'm giving you. My goal is to teach you. I love the idea of the monetization and all this other stuff that YouTube has. But after 5 years, I don't even care. It's not, I care. And I wish I can reach a whole abundance of people to join my program. But it's like none of that stuff is like clicking to me. What's clicking to me is that I want to teach, I want to teach, I want to teach, I want to do the education, and I want to give it to people so that they can learn, so that they can have a backbone to fall on. If you guys have this key code, this is the key code. When you go on my website and you see something for $1,349, use this key code. It's going to knock it down. Okay, it's key 212. I'm going to continue that tuition reduction for a minute. So make sure you guys get on it. And let me tell you something. Every day, even though I'm still working in Sapphire. I'm working on a way to get you what you need. Okay, so trust me, I'm working on that way. While I'm here, especially working remote, you snack all day, all day. Y'all know I lost like 60 pounds. And I put it back on. Well, not all of it. I put most of it back on because working remote is like you eat and you sit, you eat and you sit, you eat, you sit. And now I do YouTube while I'm eating and sitting. So, it's kind of tough for me. I stopped the Wegovy for a minute just to kind of give myself a break from it. But again, y'all know I ain't paying $300 deductible. So, I'll switch to insurance. Let me see how much they want. But 5 years. 5 years, almost 6 years in November, or 6 years in June, or when did COVID start? I don't know whenever COVID started. That's when I started the YouTube. And trust me, I had no idea what I was going to do with YouTube. What I wanted to do was give back to my students. I wanted to give back to just straight society and just relieve them of the student loan drama. I mean, go to my website, sapphirecoding.com. Y'all check out the website, click on bookstore. Y'all can see all my courses in there. Nobody's micromanaging. You can read whenever you want to read. You a CPC, you don't need to be in no accreditation school. Read it, get yourself ready, join the class when you can. I'm not doing this one live because I can't put any effects on it or anything like that, which I'm not going to do right now, but I just went on and did this because I'm going to go ahead and post this on the regular YouTube, whatever. Okay. I just wanted to definitely come on and let you guys know, don't give up. We are going to keep on doing this. I have made several channels, but I always seem to head back to this one. I don't want to build up 8,000 subscribers again. Another thing you guys are going to do, you can do ads and try and get you some subscribers. Do ads. I've done ads before. I haven't done them in a while. I don't think I've done them this year. I'm going to start doing ads again, and that helps you. And that also puts you out there with companies, Nike, this one, that one. Puts you out there. Me. I try different things. I listen to different people, and I try different things that they tell me because I think that's good. So, if I got to do 5 more years and I see more progress, I need watch time. But you have so many channels of billing and coding or whatever, medical terminology. Everybody has different things that they do. My goal is to get you guys to watch and hopefully give you something that is appeasing to you and is useful to you. Because that's what YouTube is about. You want to produce things that's going to help somebody else. Sometimes I do videos that, like you guys check out the one, I think for the, what is it? How women feel or how something like that. I don't know what it is. There'll be a time or two that I might post something that's, just for the girls or just for the women or whatever. But basically, we all a unit. Black Phoenix Team Us, and Black Phoenix Team Us does not mean generic Black people. It's everybody, all types of people. The Black Phoenix Team Us, I created that last year, 2 years ago. I have not jumped it off yet because I'm focused on Sapphire right now. But do not sleep on Black Phoenix. When you guys go in my store, you're going to see Black Phoenix Sales. That's the name of the group, Black Phoenix Sales. Black Phoenix is on Facebook. You guys go to Black Phoenix Team Us, and you guys can join. Give me a request so I can put you guys in Black Phoenix Team Us. I don't know how many of you have Facebook. Some people don't have Facebook, but that's what the Black Phoenix Team Us is. Sometimes in some of my logos, you might see Black Phoenix Team Us, or you might see this one right here. That's me. I have 2 groups that I want. The Black Phoenix Team Us is a women's group. All of you who are in my class, all of you who are in my course, all of you that I have contacted, I am going to have something. And guess what? All of you are going to be invited. And I'm telling you, I want to hear everything y'all got to say. All of y'all are going to be invited. And it's over 75 of you. Okay, now my little apartment, y'all not going to fit in that. But when we get that house, I'm telling you, y'all going to be in the backyard. I'm coming for y'all. I want to hear the adventure. I want to hear where you're at. Years ago, when I was in North Carolina, I did have a big house and I had class in the house. I had a whole section just for medical insurance billing class. If we can't get that storefront, because that's my goal. My goal is to get a front out here in Atlanta somewhere. Yeah, I can set it up kind of like a Panera type of thing. So I have to continue to get my grants and continue to do that. Once we finish getting settled here in Atlanta, that's what we're heading for. But right now, Sapphire Physician Coding Online is virtual, easy for y'all. Those who are going to be local in Atlanta, y'all will see me. And most of you guys that are in my class that are here in Atlanta, y'all are right here in my area. I have some of you guys that are also in Connecticut and New York. I have students in Texas. I have students all over the place because everybody's online. And remember that you do medical insurance billing and coding. It's online. It's online. You want to go in. You want to be patient access. You want to be accounts receivable. Do it. I got the new books. I don't know if you were looking for them, Ebony, but I just loaded those books. And I loaded those books in the portal. I'm going to put that medical insurance billing book in there. Yes, I have the 2025 ebook. Tomorrow, I'm going to work on that. I got to figure out how I can get that book in there. So I have decided to put the books in there. They are encrypted, so you can't download them, but you can go in there and read the books as you are in there. So we're going to figure that out. I did that so you guys wouldn't have to buy those books. The medical insurance billing book is like $125. The language of medicine book is like $150. And the step-by-step, that's how you code. That's how you teach yourself how to code. That's how I teach you how to code from that book. And I understand some of you have tasks for me. Make sure you put them in your folder. Put them in your folder on the portal, because as soon as I finish this video, I'm going in there. So remember, y'all got to help me with watch time. All my students, I'm sending y'all a text. I'm not playing. Watch time. Watch YouTube. I don't know how many of y'all is there, but I'm telling you right now, I'm going down my line. And then y'all get a text from me. They say, watch my videos. Watch the videos, okay? Even the silly ones. Even the ones where I'm goofing around. No, Miss Lambert is not just about teaching and dignitaries and the director and shit. They know I'll be clowning around. I wish I would walk around that hospital with a grim face and XYZ. They better let me go right now. We're not gonna do that. I'm all about team. I'm all about sportsmanship. I'm all about working together. We're all about getting it done. We're all about executing. We're all about project management. Openly. If I have an employee and she's sitting there acting like she's scared to say something to me, I'm gonna just strangle her myself. Why would you do that? You come here. We need to talk, because I can't get this done if you're afraid to talk to me. You see what I'm saying? That's why I want y'all to be close to your managers. Okay. So again, this is 5 years in. It's 5 years in. Okay. I'm 5 years on YouTube. Let's make it another blessed 5 years. Watch my videos. Ms. Lambert needs watch time. I don't care if y'all watch one video, watch the video. This one, I want you to watch, because this video is going to let you know what that key code is. I did the, what do you call it? The Whatnot show. I don't even know what I'm doing in there. Greg told me to do it, but I'm going to do it again. This key code is going to get you that $199. Okay. When you go in there, don't get scared when you see the $13.99. Okay. Use that key code. Okay, y'all missed the $49.99. That's over. Y'all missed that. Okay, so y'all got to do the $199. All right, so I'm going to be out of here, and this is only, this is only a few minutes. I just wanted to kind of come on for a second and definitely let y'all know, any of y'all who are on YouTube, continue to go on YouTube, because this is like your forum. This is your forum. You have a business, or you have something you want to say, and just get it out there. I don't have any friends around here. Even if I did, they know I'll be talking to death. I can't say 2 words and just shut up. I just be going. I just still be talking. If I feel like I feel funny and I can't talk to you like that, or I can't to you like, all right, yeah, I'm gonna see you later. Okay, you handle whatever is wrong with you, because I ain't like that. I can't stand being around people who are miserable. I can't stand being around people who just grim all the time. I cannot stand that. If I wake up in the morning, I'm happy and jolly, and I say good morning to you, and you just, okay, hi, yeah, let me go ahead. No, do not let other people mess up your day. Do not let other people change your persona. Do not, because when you do that, you coming out of your own character, and then you got now you got to be somebody else. How many years are you going to be somebody else? Trust me, I've been there. I know that you don't change your whole persona for somebody else. You don't know who you are. I'm telling you, I feel like I was like straight reborn. Trust me, do not come out of your character for nobody. Okay, be yourself. Be yourself. Okay, so I'm gonna shut this down. It's already 5:36. This was just a 15-minute thing, and then I'm gonna come back at y'all tomorrow. I ain't playing. I'm sending y'all a text. So y'all got any questions, make sure y'all send them to me. I'm getting ready to jump into the portal right now. So those of you who are watching this video, and it's, I don't know what time it is, but I'm getting ready to jump into the portal. After 5, I'm always normally in that portal. Okay, so I will see you guys. Remember, I am home. When I go back in, I will not be home all the time. Text me anytime you want to. Remember, that is discussion board. What's discussion board? Text. Discussion board is Facebook. Discussion board is YouTube. Discussion board is Instagram. Discussion board is email. Discussion board is FaceTime, right? Discussion board is WhatsApp. Well, I'm still getting used to the WhatsApp thing, but discussion board is everything. Okay, discussion board is TikTok. I'm gonna jump on TikTok. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna do a live on TikTok right now. Y'all head over there as soon as y'all finish this video. I'm gonna get what y'all, this video is gonna get finished right now. I'm gonna turn it off. I'll see y'all again. Don't stop posting. Keep posting. And this is for my people who are on YouTube. And this is for my girl I met the other day, radiology instructor. I'll see you soon. Okay. I've not forgot you. I've not forgotten you.